Hi, I am Tathagat. I have made an AM wave receiver. The main aim of this circuit is to first receive this AM wave and then retrieve the message signal from it. I have generated an AM wave of type DSB-SC, that is the product of the carrier and the message signal. The first step is the tuning of the AM wave, which is being done by this inductor and the capacitor. This part provides selectivity. It allows a wave of required frequency only to pass through it. Then this diode is used to detect and rectify the signal. The capacitor C3 acts as a low pass filter and this capacitor C2 acts as a blocking capacitor. It lets the signal pass through it but not the DC component. Otherwise, the base of this transistor would get shorted. The transistor configuration being used is feedback biasing. Feedback biasing provides a much stable bias point. This resistor R3 limits the current through the transistor and keeps the signal being effectively shorted to the ground. This capacitor C5 keeps the collector from improperly being shorted to the ground here. Let's simulate the waveform and see how the received signal and the AM signal looks like. Now we can see that the received signal is just an amplified version of this AM signal. So we can say that after the receiver part, our circuit works properly. Now I have implemented two more similar configured amplifier stages for better envelope detection. Here I have added a buffer voltage follower using an op-amp so that the diode is not directly connected to the CE amplifier. Doing so would have given a non-linear amplification. Lastly, this is the circuit for the envelope detection. Let's see the simulation of the message signal and the envelope detector's output. Now let's see how the message signal looks like. So this is our message signal. Now let's test the working of our envelope detector. This AM wave was passed into a circuit. This was received and amplified. After amplification of this signal, it was passed through two more such stages so that the envelope detector could function properly. Lastly, we see that the output of the envelope detector exactly follows the message signal, which means that the envelope detector retrieved the message signal from here. So the circuit works finely. Thank you.